Have you heard how 4 dwarves forged a treasure so dazzling that even a goddess could not resist? In ancient Norse tales, Freyja, the goddess of love and beauty, stumbled upon Alfrig, Burling, Dvalin, and Greyr as they crafted a necklace called Brisingamen. Its golden radiance was said to glow like sunlight against fresh snow, enchanting all who beheld it. Desiring this masterpiece, Freyja bargained with the dwarves, offering her company in exchange for their shining creation. After 4 nights of careful craftsmanship and fulfilled promises, they placed the necklace around her neck. From that day forward, Brisingamen remained a radiant symbol of divine allure and dwarven skill forever etched into Norse lore.